All right, round 5 here. I think it is. I just talked to one guy about the prices. This is we were talking exactly about this one right here. I told him about the bunks, take those things out and storage, but nice one for 15. Not bad at all. I buy this one. It's nice. So it's Cherokee. Wolf pup. Yeah, wolf pup. So that's not bad. MRC 30, volt lot price. So not bad. Sleep 6. But I like it. There's also other place to go to over here too as well. So, new floor plan. I like it. You got sale price. You got this one is 27 grand. This one is 40. But not bad. Not bad at all. I like it. Nice TV. Very nice. Not bad for 40 grand, 63 MSRP. You know these weak, stupid colors I had. It's just stupid, so. Oh my goodness. But this one is 27, kind of the same kind of thing. Not bad. Bunk beds. Venture RV. Nice. Not bad. Huh. The Prowler. This one is, it says $32,000. Oh goodness, it's a big one too. Oh my lord, not bad. Not bad. No room in there, but nice shower. Cool. Not bad at all. A little crowded right now, getting people coming in here. I need to go down. I need to go down there. Kind of get a little look around here. So, a whole bunch of them. Here's the vintage one. I've seen this. This one's hilarious. One is 12 grand you pay. So this one's a smaller one. Again, my storage room in the corner there. Take that out. And then you could probably have, I don't know where the TV would be at. Gotta put it somewhere probably. Have it come down. My storage area, bathroom's not too bad. Black water, everything else. Not bad. Nice bed. Nice area. Probably the TV come down, so. These are the vintage one over here. Ones are always different colors. Get down here. These ones are classic. You've seen these ones before. They're just ugly as hell. The color on it, vintage cruiser, it's hilarious. They want 30 grand for that one. That's hilarious. They come in blue. Oh God, look at this bad boy. This is hilarious. I like red, but 25 grand, I don't know. I like the layout. I just don't need all the red. Oh my goodness. That's hilarious. No, I'm sorry, I get it. I've seen a couple of these on the road. I get it. I like red and the blue one, but I'm not gonna waste good suffering. All right. Nothing special there, but Did I look at this one or not? I don't know if I did or not. It's not bad. All right, let's go over here. Let's go walk over here. So there's more stuff over here too as well. River Forest, I've seen these around a lot. Forest River, excuse me. This one is like 37,000, 38, whatever. All said and done. No spacious bathroom, which I like. Obviously, you've got your couch, TV, sit down, eat, feed your face, microwave. Not bad. Kind of like it. I like it. Very nice, very spacious, very smart. Not bad. The Forest River one, that's not bad. For if you're going to get it, 40 grand. So, very, very nice. That's a Bible one. Absolutely it is. Mm-hmm. Yep. 32 grand for this one. Not bad. Nice TV. Sit out here and eat for everybody else can chow down and people come over to your place. Would you shower in the shower at Penn State? Well, you can shower in this shower. It's not too bad. I can stand in it. Not too bad. So. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. It's a nice one. Yeah, I think so. This one right here, this one's got a lot of room. I'd buy this one if I buy that one. That one's nice. Because it's got a lot of room in it and how it's all spread out. That one I'd buy if I'm buying one. Because it's got more, everything is spacious. I like it. But if you do buy one, make sure you get it looked at before it leaves the lot. Get an inspection. I'm just telling you. Because go listen to Liz Amazing on YouTube. She'll tell you all about it.
Somebody did.
I know. My sister bought one from Pleasureland.
Yeah? Oh,
3 years later, all the problems are still there. None
Yeah.
of the warranties are any good,
Yeah.
and the dealer won't do nothing about any of it.
Go listen to Liz Amazing. You know, on YouTube, I'm dead serious. You'll exactly what she went through. A lady, what could have been your wife, let's say, had passed on, and she bought like a basic pull behind, and had problems. And they wouldn't do anything about it. It could be your grandma. It was pissed me off. Anyways, man, be good. Yeah. All right. Forest River. Not bad. Not bad. Bunk beds for the kids, if you want. Not bad. Huh. 27. So MSRP. So they want to bully you into buying it because it's going to go down, you know, whatever. But not bad. Not bad at all. You guys think, huh? Bitch, please. Not bad. So. Oh, God. Battery includes freight destination charges, fuel dealer prep, production demonstration. Okay. And this one is 28. They're in there right now. So. This is a bigger one. Oh, my Lord. A little longer one. This is the big dog. It's not bad for 30,000. Really? Wow. You can shower in the shower. Not bad. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is a family truck zone right here. Got a litter of children. They can sleep up there, down there. You guys ever been in a submarine before? The one in New York City? Submarine they have there? Like, oh my goodness. But yeah, it's not bad, huh? There's some more areas over here I'm going to walk over to as well, so we'll go over there and we'll do some more over there. So we got like 6 out of this whole adventure today. You know, what the hell, right? So, oh my God. Let me see here. This one is, you pay 30 grand, $269 a month if you're gonna buy it. Cherokee, black label. Not bad at all. But I'm leaving it. I'll go in there. Let's see what it looks like. Nice little couch, dining area, TV's right there, grill out right here. I mean, that's your thing, I'm sorry. But not bad. You can shower in the shower. Nice big head. Nice bed. Already king size. Oh yeah. So we're gonna put a new battery in this pig. We're gonna go over the other. There's some more stuff on the other side over there. So hope you're enjoying it. Like I said, free to get in. You're at the Grand Casino next to it. So anyway, putting a battery in it, and we'll have the time of our life. So alrighty then. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And the vlog is over.